Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D. Let's start. Sky blue, green, light green, red, brown, black, blue, pink, orange, pink, violet, and yellow color. Red color. A, B, C, D, yellow color. A, B, C, D, black color. A, B, C, D, green color. A, B, C, D, blue color. A, B, C, D, pink color. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Let's read again. A, B, C, D. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. A, B, C, D. A, ant. B, butterfly. C, cap. D, dog. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.